Well, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Tim on the spot. And Tim, are you able to share? I'm going to see if he is on here and if you can share Tim, unmute, and I will have Tim share. Then we'll open up for questions.
Hey guys, how are you?
Hey, there he is. Oh, he's even
I,
wearing blue. We're matching. He got the memo.
oh man, we're gonna stay on the blue theme. Okay, I got you. I got you. I got you. Listen, my name is Tim. I'm a dad of 5 kids. I do not have a story unlike any of those phenomenal women, by the way, and I mean they are phenomenal because it takes courage to say yes sometimes. It takes courage to admit where we're at. We don't need to be there. We want something better. And it takes courage to take that risk sometimes. However, I come from corporate. I've been in corporate America for 25 years. I helped a retail company go from 300 stores to 1,000 stores. One day they came into my office, and maybe some of you know this story all too well. They came into my office and said my role had been eliminated. I got to share with you, there was anger, frustration. But one of the things that when I look back and went back on that, I said, what did I do wrong? Like, what did I do wrong? I did everything you asked me to do for 25 years. I didn't ask my family, hey, if you lose your job or how they're going to restructure the company. They didn't do any of that. I just know that I worked nights, weekends, did all the things I was supposed to do. And at 55, no one's after hiring 55-year-old people. Like, I don't know, it's 30-year-old or 55. But I dedicated, that was my identity. And I'll just be real quick here because even today, it kind of moves me because it's like, dude, 25 years of my life. I can't tell you, the first day of my kid's school, I don't have those memories because I wasn't there. I can't tell you some of the memories of the birthday parties because I wasn't there. I can't tell you the memories about the sporting events that I missed over and over again. And then coming to that day when they came into my office, again, it's just like, it was the biggest punch in the gut that I ever had, never saw it coming. And just my heart broke, really. It was demoralizing. It was, how do I take care of my family? How do I do all those things that I'm supposed to do? But I did do one thing. I did say this, that feeling will never, ever happen again. It was one of those moments where you sit there and go, never. See, we change in different seasons. Our seasons, like, you change because you hurt so much that you have to. You change when it hurts, but you're inspired to change as well. I just knew there was no way in God's creation. I live in California. I even did a couple of interviews where they flew me around to other states for these interviews, and these were final interviews. Every time I got on a plane to come back home, it was like, I can't do this. Like, I don't have the energy. And mind you, these roles were like 10 years ago, I would have taken these roles like in a heartbeat. You could not get me on the plane fast enough to move my whole family to these places. So I just knew on getting on the plane, it was going to happen.